Hey guys, welcome back to CB Shaves and thanks for joining me for another unboxing. How you doing guys? First of all, apologies that you haven't seen me much this week, and to be honest with you, I've been going through some personal stuff. An emotional curve, I call it. My PTSD's been playing me up and I've had no sleep or anything, and it doesn't help when you've got work and you've got to walk 11 miles a day. So that's basically it. I haven't been in the right frame of mind or anything. As you can tell, I haven't shaved. I was going to do a shave on Wednesday and I started the video and I put the blade right through my thumb. I almost took the top of my thumb off. First time I've ever cut myself with a blade. So yeah, I was almost in A&E. So that's basically it guys. But we're here now. And we're in a better mood. Shaverage today, and I'm allowed because it's my day off, is my favourite tipple at the moment, and it's Scrumpy Jack, 6%. So we'll crack that open. So how you doing, guys? You okay? You been having some good shaves? I hope so, and I find you in good health and happy. Cheers, guys. That's nice. It's ice cold as well. Got Draper as always to help me, so let's get this started. Been looking forward to this. I know what's in it. I just wanted to share it with you guys and get a bit of content up. I've missed it. I've missed the video in the interaction with you guys. So, but I'm feeling a lot better today. I've had 2 really good nights sleep. Probably because I'm so knackered. Right. I purchased these off my dear friend Joseph. So thanks, Jay. Right. Soaps and splashes. I must say, Jay, the packaging's getting a lot better. I'm having trouble opening stuff and holding stuff because of my thumb. Yeah, the blade went... you can more or less see the tip of my bone in my thumb. So, yeah, it was a bad one, and I shouldn't have even attempted the shave, to be honest with you. Very fatigued. But these things happen. We live and learn, as they say. So, let's get these out first before I show you. Great idea of putting the splashes and the sealing in the bags just in case, Jay. Right, get this last one open. Have you got anything coming through the mail, guys? I hope so. Hope you're spoiling yourselves with the spring sales. Right, here we go. I'll go with this one first. Noble Otter Orbit. If you've seen a few videos ago, I borrowed this off Joseph, and he's decided to get rid of his Noble Otter soaps, and I jumped at it because I was going to get this anyway after trying his. And we got the matching splash. It's beautiful. It's got that synthetic coolant in it, and it's not overpowering. It doesn't make your eyes water or anything. It's just nice and refreshing. Beautiful, refreshing scent. Bit cologne-y. It's nice. Right, next one, which is, I was going to get this in a couple of weeks, because it's on my list, and it's Firefighter. What a fantastic label. And Noble Otter do like a charity fund. All the proceeds to these go to the survivors of the, is it the field fires over in the state? I'm not quite sure where it is, but the proceeds go to the charity of that, which is a noble gesture. Oh wow, there's a hint of lavender in that, I'm sure there is, but I'm getting a woody, that's smoky. That's beautiful, guys. There's the pour. Not been used. I'm looking forward to trying that. And there is the matching splash. Looking forward to that as well. The last one, which has also been on my radar, and I missed out. This soap only comes out, the Phoenix Artisan Recruitment, and they only released this in March, and I missed out again. But Jay tried this and he said it wasn't for him, and it's PAA's Twee with the holographic label, if you can see that. It's a dupe on Creed Aventus Irish Tweed, I think. Wow, that's fresh, that's nice. That's very classy. Obviously it's green. That's beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. I'm looking forward to that as well. And there's the matching splash, guys. So I'm looking forward to that. So that's three soaps I can take off the list. That's beautiful. Each one to their own, AJ. I love that, that's beautiful. And it's in the CK6 formula as well, guys. Right, this next item is on a try before you buy. He's dwindling down his collection of razors. Right, I've never heard of this company, believe it or not, and it's Hone, H-O-N-E. And I'm looking forward to trying this because I've had a look on the website. They look quite sexy. Gives you the instruction for the angle of the razor. I'll read of that after. And it reminded me, the style of it, of the bit like the Mercury Future. It's not. Oh wow, that's heavy. That is one heavy. That's a door stopper. And there it is, guys. Look how sleek that looks. That's beautiful. I believe it's fairly mild. It should be a 2-piece. Which it is. Sorry, 3-piece. Well machined. I think this is CM machined. That's very sleek. The style does remind me of the Future, so I'm looking forward to that. It does look mildish. So that's it. That's the Hone razor. Let me know if you've got one, what you think of it in the comments, and let me know what you think of the soaps as well, if you've got them, whether you like them or not. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much. Like I say, apologies that I haven't been around much, but hopefully things are getting back to normal now. And I just want to give a quick shout out as well to Mr. G Shaves. Get well soon, Gary. You've got this. He's been hit with COVID and his family. So best wishes, mate, and a speedy recovery. And also to John Shaves 101. I hope you're feeling a lot better, mate. He's been struck down with COVID as well. So heartfelt well wishes to you guys and your families. Get well soon. Right, that's it, guys. I'm going to go for a shave now. So Friday shave will be tomorrow, Saturday. So I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Sorry. Guys. Right, I'm all tongue twisted. Shut up, Chris. I'll see you tomorrow, guys, for the Saturday shave. All the best. Cheers. Stay smooth and stay safe. Bye now.